Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Since I have started my YouTube channel, some people have asked me what kind of camera and equipment do I use because they want to start their own YouTube channel or do some kind of project. So I figured why not make a video about it. I was always intimidated by how many equipments people use, and honestly speaking, I just wanted something simple and not too crazy. I'm sure I might buy more stuff later on, but for now, this really works for me. Remember, I am a beginner, so you can check out my previous videos and see if you do like the quality of it. And if you do, then keep watching. Number one, you need a camera. I use Canon 80D with the nifty 50 prime lens. I know it's a little bit expensive, but I love this. My husband has learned a bit about the camera and he's teaching me about it. I found this camera from other YouTubers and I understand why they use it and they love it because this really is a great camera. I wouldn't change this for any other cameras, at least for now. I got this from Canon directly. Number two, lighting. You need good lighting. It really makes a big difference. I use newer 176 LED panel light. It's really cheap and it works just perfect for me. And it comes with filters, battery, charger, and you can even change the brightness on that. I got that from Amazon. Number three, a microphone. I use Takstar SGC 598 microphone. It's really cheap. It really works for me. I got this. You can put it on a camera or the stand. I got this from Amazon as well. Last but not least, number four, a microphone stand. I use Amazon Basics Tripod Boom microphone stand, and that's it, guys. I think this is perfect for beginners, and it's really not intimidating. I only have four things: a camera, light, microphone, and a microphone stand. I totally forgot to mention this, guys. Number five, camera stand. I use KNF Concept 62-inch DSLR tripod. If you ever want to look at gear reviews, I really like Think Media's and Steve Allen's YouTube channels. Check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video really has helped you out to start your YouTube channel. And I will see you guys next week.